This is my organized collection of data on why a whole food plant-based diet and how to apply it. I originally assembled this YouTube channel as a way to help improve my health and the health of my very best friend. After doing lots and lots of research, I realized without doubt applying a whole food plant-based diet was the best and most common sense easy way to improve my health. It also allows me to eat as much as I want. As I became familiar with the food and meals, it eventually became easier to follow. It was something to do and feel good about, and it worked. The playlists and videos on my YouTube channel are laid out in such an order as to first give all the basic knowledge of a plant-based diet, along with important information about meat, dairy, protein, oil, carbohydrates, supplements, salt, sugar, and your genes. It's best to watch each playlist and the videos in set order as they appear. Beyond that, you can move on to any of my more specific subjects playlists, which may pertain to your health concerns such as heart disease or diabetes and more. Don't forget the recipes and food choices playlist. Here you'll find some help getting started, plus help with restaurant food choices. After going through much of the data here, you should have a darn good understanding of the subject and what to do.